Hey Emily, this is Tyler with Leads by Lord I. I wanted to make this video for you and just give you a couple tips that you can implement right away to start outranking your competitors online and bringing in some more customers for your business. So I have the website pulled up here, Easy Home Exteriors, and it looks great. Looks like you offer some great services. The first thing I want to talk about is content. With Google, content is king. They like to see anywhere from 1,000 to 2,000 words on the home page. And then as far as your back pages, right, all these different services you guys offer, they like to see anywhere from 500 to 1,000 words. And what that's really just going to allow you to do is rank for specific keywords that people are typing into Google all the time to search for businesses like this. So I pulled up a report in a tool I utilize called Ahrefs. Okay, and it just shows some data such as the rank, information of the backlinks, and the keywords that we had mentioned that you're currently ranking for, and then that traffic that you're bringing in as well. So I want to take a look at these keywords, find out what you're ranking for, and I like to focus on buyer intent keywords, and that has to do with the area you're servicing. So if we take a look at Pittsburgh here, we can find out what Pittsburgh words we're targeting. We can sort it by the rank, and we can see here, look for some good ones. Garage door repair, not sure if you guys do that, but that would be a good one. All right, let's see, Pittsburgh roofing contractors, that's a really good one. Windows Pittsburgh, that's a good one, because you can see the volume of searches that brings in each month. And a lot of these Pittsburgh words, we definitely want to improve on, right, because we're ranked, second page and beyond for all of these words. So I'm going to share with you kind of how we can show up on Google for those searches, how your competitors are doing it, and then how we can outrank them. So the first thing I typed in was, roofing contractors Pittsburgh. That's obviously one of the big keywords that's bringing in a lot of volume. And this is the first result that comes up, right? Doing it right. And we can see they've got a pretty nice site. They've got some good content here, all right? But definitely not 1,000 to 2,000 words. So, now that you can utilize that tip to outrank this competitor in that regard. All right, and you can see here they offer roofing, siding. They've got a couple different back pages here. But let's just jump right into their report. We can find out, what those keywords are that they're focusing on, what's working for them. We can sort it by the first page because that's what we're interested in, right? And we can see obviously, their name, and then we got roofing contractor Pittsburgh, PA, right? That's 30 searches a month, so that's not too bad, right? But down here we have roofing Pittsburgh, PA. That's a good one, 200 searches. And let's see what else. Roofing Pittsburgh, 100 searches. Roofing contractors Pittsburgh, right? So again, you can see all the volume here. There's some pretty decent volume. And then they're ranking number 1, number 3, okay? And it's bringing in some traffic for them as well. So, kind of focusing in your content on, that keyword will definitely help you outrank them and get you above their listing. And then taking a look at one other competitor here. Obviously, again, you offered a couple different services, so I wanted to show you a window competitor. And here's Window World. Okay, I'm sure you guys are aware of who these guys are. Pretty nice site, but once again, not a lot of content. So, I think you'll definitely blow these guys out of the water with some great content. Let's kind of find out what they're ranking for, what's working for them. All right, we'll sort this positionally here. So right away we see Pittsburgh window replacement, window companies in Pittsburgh. Let's see, Window World, obviously their name, Window World. And replacement windows Pittsburgh, window replacement Pittsburgh. Those are two great ones. They're ranked number 2. So definitely a lot of volume, a lot of opportunity there. All right. Now, those are obviously just 2 examples. You offer more services. You can go a little bit deeper, but, for time's sake, I don't want to waste too much of your time, right? But I think you get the idea there. So adding in a lot of great content, focusing in on these buyer intent keywords with, the Pittsburgh specific location is definitely going to do it for you. All right, but heading back into your report here, the next thing I want to talk about are backlinks. And a backlink is really just a vote of confidence. It's a link from one site to another, providing trust and power. Okay, so that's the metrics. Those are the metrics you see here, the trust and the power, because not all backlinks are created equal, right? So you guys are doing a pretty good job. You have 72 sites pointing back to yours, giving you almost 600 backlinks here, and your trust and power are built up a little bit, okay? But we want to see what our competitors are doing and then how we can outrank them, because not just content, but backlinks is a ranking factor for Google as well. So, utilizing both of those are going to help you in your ranking. So let's take a look at this first result here. Now, we can see right away they have 118 versus your 72, and they have 1,000 backlinks versus your 599. Okay, their UR is up a little bit higher, and their DR as well. So they have more power and trust. So just like we went into these keywords, you can go into these referring domains, you can go into these backlinks, find out what's working for them, and then implement the same, and obviously get higher quality backlinks as well. And then kind of looking at, this window world competitor as well. We can see they only have 94 sites and 532 backlinks. Their DR is down, okay, but their UR is up. So it wouldn't take much, to outrank them, figuring out, again, what's working and then beating it out. So definitely focus in on that content and those backlinks, and you'll be on your way. The last thing I want to touch upon are citations. And a citation is your name, address, and phone number. And we utilize high quality citations, in business directories such as Yellow Pages to build up this Google listing. Okay, so if we can get this Google listing up and running with some great pictures, great reviews, which it looks like you have, so keep working on that. All your information, and then some great content with, focusing on some of those keywords we talked about. You can get not only your website ranked on the first page of Google, but this Google listing in the map pack section. So I'll show you that here. When we type in Pittsburgh roofing contractors, or really any of those, focus keywords, we see here we have this map pack. And a lot of people gravitate towards this because they can see these reviews. They know, okay, Google is sending me to these 3 businesses. These are obviously the best 3 businesses. But, if you're not on here, not many people click the view all. So these guys are getting all the website clicks and the phone calls. So this is definitely where you want to be. And like I said, optimizing that listing and adding in those high quality citations is definitely going to get you here. And then down here we have the organic section. All right, that's where we see Angie's List, Yelp, Home Advisor, and then a couple other businesses. And same thing. People don't like to click and then click and click, just like they don't like to come down here and go to the 2nd, 3rd, 4th page. So a lot of these businesses are getting a lot of the clicks. Okay, and this is definitely where you want to be. And utilizing that content that we talked about and those backlinks is going to get you here into the organic section. So utilize those tips. I hope you do and outrank your competitors. If you have any questions at all, feel free to give me a call. Here's my business website, leadsbylordeye.com. We are based out of Philadelphia, but we're in Pittsburgh all the time as well. So I'd love to learn a little bit more about you guys and your business and see how we can help each other out. Here's my phone number in the top right corner. I look forward to talking to you soon.